How to add a gift card to your Google Wallet. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to have a gift card and want to keep it handy on your phone, well, in this video I'll show you how to add a gift card to your Google Wallet. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Google Wallet app on your phone, and now here, once you have opened the app, simply tap on add to wallet button shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, you'll see the interface like this. So from here, you can simply choose the gift card, and after that you'll see a list of popular retailers. So from here, simply select the store that matches your gift card, and now here, once you have selected them, you can simply enter the gift card number and pin if required, and if your card has barcode, you can simply scan it by using your phone camera. And to save it, just tap on add to wallet, and after that your gift card will appear in your Google Wallet ready to use in store or online. And here, if your location is turned on, Google Wallet may remind you when you are near the store, so never forget to use it. And that's it. That's how you can add a gift card to Google Wallet. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.